John Keegan on military history. My personal view that there exists in the military mind neither a psychological barrier nor an institutional taboo against free discussion of the profession of arms, its ethics, dimensions, rewards, shortcomings, if military society is, as I have found it to be, a great deal more open than its enemies will admit or recognize. What then is this other and more important obstacle which I have suggested stands in the way of an intellectual transition from the superficial and easy to the difficult and profound in the study of war, or more particularly of battle, which lies at its heart? If the student officer can pigeonhole at will the highly polarized view of combat which his military training gives him, in which people are either enemy, friend, casualties, prisoners, non-combatants, or dead. If he can set aside this stark, two-dimensional picture of battle and prepare to look at it in the same light as a liberal arts student might, or a professional historian, or a strategic scientist, or a member of that enormous general readership of military history, which has come into being in the last 20 years, what difficulty will prevent his and their seeing what they want to see and being shown what they ought?